Hi there, and welcome to a new video. I'll guide you on how to turn off the auto enhance feature on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Technically, there's no direct method to completely prevent your iPhone from taking auto enhanced photos. However, you can adjust certain camera configurations to capture images in their natural form. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, open your device settings. Scroll down and find the Photos option. Within the Photos settings, look for View Full HDR and toggle it off. When activated, this feature produces photos optimized to their maximum display range, often giving an auto-enhanced effect to the output. If you already have auto-enhanced photos in your gallery and want to revert them to their original unedited form, follow these steps. Open the Photos app on your iPhone and select the specific image you want to edit. Tap on the Edit option in the top right corner of the screen. Now, look for the Auto Enhance tool, usually represented by a wand icon. Tap on it to disable the Auto Enhance feature and keep your photo's natural effect. And there you have it. A quick guide on how to turn off Auto Enhance on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time. Bye.